the way it works is, if you don't know how the system works, you're not going to do as well. When we had fatalities, we were able to settle claims for a pittance in some cases of what they were actually worth because people weren't represented. People didn't know how much their claims were worth. I'm being asked by the insurance company to put your name on the dotted line for as little amount of money as possible, paying you not one dime more than we have to. When a lawyer's involved, that's sort of a trigger to everybody. Wait a minute, I'm an insurance adjuster. Your case might be worth a lot more than I first thought. I remember one claim where a kid was literally thrown off of a school bus. And then the bus driver picked up the boy's backpack and threw it off the bus and hit the little boy while he was lying on the ground. This is a 10-year-old boy. I settled that case for a very little amount of money. His parents really didn't understand what was really going on, in a sense, what the value of the claim was worth. If they had known, they would have probably gotten an attorney, and there would have been a much greater reward. And in some cases, that would have been appropriate. Because let's face it, if that was to happen to my son, I'd be very angry, and I would want to be compensated. I would want my family compensated for that kind of horrible wrong. That's when you need to get a lawyer. If there's a lot on the line for you, you need to make sure that you're being taken seriously. It's always a good idea.